Hey, so just a very quick demo of B.O.B. So B.O.B is our behavioral observation board that we use here to help us with our conversion rate optimization. So the way it works is we enter all of the business context. This can be generated through AI, but what it does is it stores all of the business context, products, services, unique selling points, target markets, conversions, what we're looking to convert, and we look at like customer profiles. Again, this can generate customer profiles. What's the business goals? What we're trying to achieve? And who are the competitors? What happens is we have a board which shows us the paths that people took to convert. So it shows us good ways that people converted on the website, and then it shows us non-converting paths. So what did they do when they dropped off? It also shows us like anomalies and builds up things like dead clicks and U-turns and everything like that. So what we're really trying to build up, and what B.O.B's really, really good at, is trying to build up loads of evidence. So we can add to the evidence and we can say, okay, we've run some user tests and we found this, or we've added some live chats, or we've found some analytics that don't work, and or it might be a fix that we found that's a bug. We can upload files and we can add it as evidence. Once the system's got a load of evidence in it, we just generate the issues, and the AI runs through the business context, the users, the goals, everything, and then it comes up with a load of issues. We can go through this and clean them up, and we go through it with our clients, and we basically just look at everything that it's created, and we either delete it or leave it in. This will tell us what supporting evidence it's picked up, and it lists out all of the issues. From the issues, then we create the solutions. This gives us a bunch of solutions, and this is a prioritized list of things we should be looking at fixing. And again, we can click into this. It'll tell us what impact it should have. It'll tell us a summary, what it thinks the outcome would be, why this works, and it'll say what issues it's linked to, supporting evidence that it's got. And this will give us a roadmap. So we can, from this, we can create a roadmap, and we can say, okay, here's some jobs that we need to do. This is what's booked in. This is what needs working on at the moment. Also, the best thing about B.O.B is that we can measure all of those things. So we put them live, and then we say whether those things had an impact or not. And we can look in, and the things that worked or didn't work, we can add this back in to evidence. So we can say that worked really, really well, or it didn't work so well. We've got loads of really cool tools in here. So one of the really cool tools, that's one of the latest ones that we've got, is this UX analyst. What happens is you can upload a design, or you can upload a page, or you can add a link into it, and you can pick a UX framework that you want to measure it against, and it will give you lots and lots of solutions that that it thinks could be improved from that page. The other really cool thing, the last thing that I'll go through, is that within the entire system, we've got this kind of approved patterns area. So what this has got is it's got loads and loads of winning A/B tests and sort of UX improvements, and the system goes through all of these and makes suggestions about improvements on your page. So all in all, B.O.B is a place to keep all of the evidence that we're working on. It's something that we've always done, but in conversion rate optimization, but this gives us an ability to store it in a really good place and use AI technology to analyze all of the kind of data points. Oh, there's one thing that I should show you. This has got a competitor analysis in it. Basically tells you how well you're doing against your competitors. So it says what your key messages are, features, USPs, key messages that you've got, but it also shows you key messages and USPs and features that your competitors have got. And then it gives you recommendations based on that. So things that you can add again into your evidence. And by the way, when you're doing a UX page review, you can also add competitors or inspiration. So I saw this page on the BBC, I loved it. It was, and you can add it in there. So yeah, that's a quick overview of B.O.B, but if you want a full demo, then give me a shout.